Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and drying the scratch. Remove grease so you see what you work on. Once clean, tape around the scratch to protect edges and test to 0. 5 mm abrasive on a hidden seam, this confirms scratch depth and finish reaction. Next, position the stainless Scotch-Brite pad or sandpaper along the grain. Apply light, consistent pressure. You want to remove the scratch without changing the surrounding texture. Make sure to check progress every 5 to 10 strokes so you don't overdo it. You now refine the area by moving to finer grits. Start with 400 grit if necessary, then 800, ending at 1000 for a smooth finish. Always sand with the grain, this preserves the factory look. Make sure to wipe the surface between grits to inspect the true depth and to avoid trapped particles causing new scratches. If the scratch is shallow, fewer grits suffice. For deeper marks, spend more time blending the edges. Keep pressure steady and small, controlled strokes to match surrounding texture. You finish by applying a stainless polish and buffing with a clean microfiber. This restores luster and hides light abrasions. Once buffed, inspect under good light and along the grain. If a faint line remains, repeat the fine sanding and polish cycle rather than increasing pressure. If the mark is a deep gouge that keeps reflecting differently, consider a manufacturer touch-up kit or professional resurfacing to prevent a texture mismatch. Remember, small, controlled steps win. Rushing at the end creates new problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.